Hey guys, today I'm here to show how to create your Google site, your own Google site, and that too freely. I have a sample to show how I have prepared a Google site for myself. As I'm a teacher, so I have prepared a Google site for my students of a chapter. So I can show you the published site, how it looks. And you can if also you are not a teacher, then also you can use it in different ways. You can prepare your magazine if you want. If you are a blogger, if you are starting your career as a blogger, you can start with this Google site that is totally free. Chapter PPT. So I have used various options here, you can see, to represent a chapter, online lab, some simulations, etc. So these are the things which I have added in my Google site for my students. Just for an example, I showed you how it looks. Okay, so these are the various preview mode. You can preview it in the form of tablet or phone or large screen, like on laptop or PC. So simulations, this is just an example which I have added everything in this website. Now let's get started. I'll tell you how to create a Google site of your own. So for that you have to first search Google site. Then you have to click on the very first option you see here, Google site sign in. Once you open it, you can see the plus sign here. यहाँ आपको click करना है. Once you click on that, this will be the interface as you see here. Now it will show you as untitled site. Now according to your choice, आप अपने हिसाब से आपका कोई भी साइट का नाम दे सकते हैं. जैसे कि मैं आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, मेरा वेबसाइट का नाम यहाँ पे chapter 1 math@EPS. तो आप अपने हिसाब से कोई भी आप साइट का नाम दे सकते हैं. It's your choice according to the site what you are going to prepare. You can choose your title. Okay. So for example, you want to prepare your dance cover or your blogging something, you're writing about something, you can write the title of that. So let me just for an example write title. Just for an example. And you can change when you click on this, you have so many options here. आप titles इसको change कर सकते हैं. Heading रखना चाहते हैं या फिर सब heading, and these all you can choose. You can choose the font, you can choose the font size, bold, italic, text color, and many things here. Okay, so next you can choose the picture also here, change image. Once you click on this change image, you can either upload it from your PC or else you can select the image from the gallery, or by putting a URL. These are the ready-made this is the ready-made gallery which is there. You can choose any of the picture from here, or else आप search भी कर सकते हो Google से. अगर आप search का order डाल सकते हैं. Right? Next, after preparing the home page, this is your home page. आप home page में contents भी डाल सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि मेरा home page में मैं यहाँ पे content title दी हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं chapter का content डाली हूँ. तो according to your choice you can do that. Now let me tell you how to add pages. आप अपने साइट में जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट पेजेस है, कंटेंट, चैप्टर, एनसीईआरटी पीडीएफ, चैप्टर पीपीटी, ऑनलाइन लैब. दीज ऑल आर डिफरेंट पेजेस ऑफ अ गूगल साइट. तो ये पेजेस कैसे डालना है, यू कैन सी द 3 ऑप्शंस हियर. बिफोर चूजिंग द 3 ऑप्शंस, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट दिस ऑल 3 रिप्रेजेंट्स. तो यहाँ पे इंसर्ट बटन में आप कोई भी चीज़ इंसर्ट करना चाहते हो, उसके यूज से आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. देयर आर वेरियस ऑप्शंस आई विल बी टेलिंग यू. नेक्स्ट इज पेजेस. तो यहाँ पे आपको one by one आपको पेजेस डालनी है. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू कितना पेजेस आपको चाहिए, क्या क्या पेज चाहिए, यू हैव टू नेम द पेजेस. एंड द थर्ड वन इज थीम. यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी ऑफ द थीम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस सिलेक्ट दिस डिप्लोमेट थीम. तो आप देख रहे हो थीम के हिसाब से आपका ये बैकग्राउंड भी चेंज हो जाएगा. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द इमेज एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर. कैन सिलेक्ट एनी पर्टिकुलर साइट. लेट अस सिलेक्ट दिस वन. So if I copy this paste this site, you will be able to see it will be appearing very nicely. I'll be embedding this link here and I'll insert it. So you have to select. I'll select this page. I want this page to show, so I'll insert it. So this is how the site gets copied here in this your Google site. Okay, you can embed any of the link, whether it may be any Google site or where YouTube link, any link. Now Drive option, this plays a very important role here. You can add anything from your Google Drive, whether it may be in the form of image, PDF, sheet, etc. Whatever you want, you can insert it from here. Right now, next move to the next option here. These are the layouts. You can see there are different layouts here. According to your choice, you can use those layouts here. These are the plus sign to add image or anything from your Drive, YouTube, calendar, map, etc. So you can add anything to these options. You can add from a PC also by using upload button. So these are the layouts. You can use any of the layouts as per your choice. उसके बाद हम आते हैं collapsible text पे. ये collapsible text means if you write anything, it will be collapsible. If you click on that, then when you will be previewing the site. Now, for example, I write something here, okay, and I write inside it, this one. So when I show you, see, you can see how it's looking here. जब आप site देखोगे तो you will be able to see this one, but when you click on that, you can see what is written inside that. Okay, this is what is called collapsible text. Now table of contents. Table of contents आप कुछ भी लिखोगे heading form में, अगर आप उसको select करते हो, अपने आप it will be showing the contents here. The contents अपने आप यहाँ पे one by one लिखते जाएंगे. Image carousel. This is a very good option. Once you click on this image carousel, you have to select some of the pictures. Okay, either you upload it from your PC or you select it from your Drive. As I told you earlier, you can do any of the thing. Image carousel means if you want to select many of the images. Okay, I have chosen 3 of the pictures here. I will insert it here. Okay, so you can see the carousel here. Once I publish the site, you will be able, the one who sees the site, by sliding, he or she will be able to see the different images at one place. Okay, this is what is called image carousel. Next step, buttons, dividers. This according to your choice, you can use this all. Just to divide the section and all. Now YouTube option, you all know how to add YouTube, so you can add the link here of, or if there is any video you have uploaded in your YouTube channel, that also you can insert your calendar, map, docs. This is Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Form, Google Charts. Many options according to your choice. आप अपने site में क्या क्या डालना चाहते हैं, you can insert everything. Okay, so this is how you can prepare a Google site. It's not too difficult. You can prepare your site, and if you want anybody to work with you. Now pages, I haven't told you about pages. So once you come to this pages option, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक plus button दिख रहा है. When you click on this, you can see an option of new page. तो यहाँ पे आप अपना page add कर सकते हैं. For example, the next page of my Google site, if I write down PPT done. Okay, so you can see another page gets added up here. तो इस तरह से आप pages भी add कर सकते हैं. आप per your choice कितना pages add करना चाहते हैं. Next thing is, if you want to collaborate with any of your friend or teacher or anybody to work on the particular site, how to do that? इसके लिए आप यहाँ पे एक option देख रहे हैं, share with others. उस पे click करना है आपको plus sign में. When you click on share with others, तो यहाँ पे आपको email ID डालना है जिसके साथ आप ये share करना चाहते हैं. तो text box, तो यहाँ पे this is the text box here. By using this, you can add a text box. These are the image option. You can add image. You can add from your PC or laptop, or else you can select it from the Google Drive. तो यहाँ पे अपने PC से भी upload कर सकते हो कोई भी. For example, I'm just adding this diagram here. You can see I added an image from my PC. You can embed any of the link. Any of the site link, you can embed the URL. You can copy paste the URL here and you can insert that also. वो चाहे YouTube का link हो या फिर कोई website का link हो, that also you can add here. Correct? Now for example, now how to insert things. आप insert कैसे करोगे? आप इनको editor option देना चाहते हैं या फिर सिर्फ view करना चाहते हैं? That you can select it from here. But as a published viewer सिर्फ देख सकता है या फिर आप edit करना चाहते, उसको ये permission देना चाहते हैं कि he can also edit, means he or she is going to work with you, collaborate with the same site. then you have to click on editor. Okay, then you can send it. तो ये साइट आपको उनको पास चले जाएगा and then you both can work on the same Google site. Now after you prepare the whole site, आप बनाने के बाद if you want to check that everything is okay or not, how the published site is looking, then you can click on this preview button. You can see here. Once you click on preview, you can see how it looks. ये आपका साइट ऐसे दिखेगा. Okay, you can see this in tablet form or in the mobile preview. मोबाइल में कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा. Just for an example, I haven't added in anything. You can see how the carousel looks here. Image carousel. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you can prepare your own site in this way. Now let me tell you how to publish the site. आप अपने site को publish कैसे करेंगे? Example, I just gave a name to my site, and now I'm going to publish it. So I'll click on publish at the right top corner. Then you have to give your website or web address. Okay, so you can give anything as per your choice. I'm going to give radicals. Okay, somebody has already taken this address. Okay, so precious radical just. So now you can see who can view my site. Anyone is written here. So if you want to restrict that, then only you can change that. Links vary, change it. Okay, so if you want to show it into the public, then you can click on public. If you want to restrict it, if you want to give show to only those who you want to show that, then you have to restrict it. But I want my public to see it, so I'll be click on public. After you do so, then click on done. Now after you change the setting who can view my site, now you can click on publish. Now the site which I have prepared, it will be published. And then how to share the link with anyone, link option here, copy the published link. Now how to share with any of your students or any you want to share with anyone. So you will click on this, copy the link. Okay, now the link is copied. Now let us see how the site looks here. This is how it looks. Okay, isn't it great? So in this way you can prepare your own Google site. Hope you have all enjoyed this, how to prepare the Google site. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.